following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, central Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall with rates up to 2 to 3 inches per hour. This heavy rainfall is currently moving into an area that had received over 1 inch of rainfall due to earlier thunderstorms. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly after the onset of heavy rainfall. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Englewood, South Shore, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, and Homewood. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.